David had slain Goliath. He had won countless battles, inspired songs, and gained the favor of the people. But now he was a fugitive. King Saul, once his mentor, had become his enemy. Driven by jealousy and fear, Saul hunted David with relentless obsession. So David fled, desperate, tired, alone. And in a shocking move, he sought refuge in Gath, home of Goliath, the very giant he had killed. It was enemy territory, and David was instantly recognized. Isn't this David, the king of the land? Isn't he the one they sing about in their dances? 1 Samuel 21:11. Panic gripped David's heart. He was surrounded by the Philistines, standing before their king, Achish. No weapons, no army, no escape. So he did the unthinkable. David pretended to be insane. Vil 13. He scratched at doors, let saliva run down his beard, mumbled like a madman. The mighty warrior who once stood boldly on the battlefield now drooled at a gate, degraded and unrecognizable. It worked. Achish said, "Am I so short of madmen that you bring this fellow here to act insane in front of me?" David was dismissed, and his life was spared. This wasn't David's finest hour. It was a moment of survival, not glory. But sometimes humility, even humiliation, is the only path to safety. David didn't rely on strength or strategy that day. He let go of his pride to cling to his life. And God, even in that strange moment, was protecting him. David later reflected in Psalm 34, written after this event, "I sought the Lord, and he answered me. He delivered me from all my fears." God's deliverance doesn't always look dignified. Sometimes the escape is messy. Sometimes survival means swallowing your pride and trusting God through uncomfortable steps. Faith isn't always heroic, it's obedient, even in shame. If you've ever had to do something you never imagined just to make it through, you're not alone. David was there, and God still brought him out. Lord, when I'm trapped and terrified, give me the wisdom to do what's needed, even if it's not what I would choose. Protect me in the low places and remind me that even when I feel foolish, you are still leading me to safety. Amen.